Deep in Poland's forest, something waits. 80 years lost beneath the trees. A Nazi armored train, completely intact.
Inside lies 500 tons of gold.
The legendary wartime gold train was real. Every bar must be carefully documented.
Securing treasure while moving 500 tons.
With gold secured, restoration work begins.
After 80 years, movement at last.
From the forest to the rails.
The journey to rebirth begins now. The workshop becomes its new home. Every surface tells a brutal story.
The boiler reveals 80 years of decay.
The drive mechanisms are completely frozen. Sealed tight for 80 long years. What secrets has time preserved inside? A frozen moment from 1945.
The impossible restoration officially begins today.
Every component documented before removal begins. External systems stripped away methodically now. Each bolt resists after 8 years.
Hidden beneath, catastrophic structural damage revealed.
Structural supports have nearly rusted through. Engineering a solution from authentic blueprints. New steel joins the original frame. Layer by layer, the train yields. Decades of grime face industrial pressure. 8 years wash away in seconds. Original markings emerge from the past. Wheels that haven't turned since '45. The boiler's secrets finally come clean. Every part gets individual attention here. Rust converter transforms oxidation to stability. Clean reveals what rust still hides. The cargo wagons receive equal attention. Cleaned and ready for transformation now. Industrial sandblasting begins the transformation now. Rust surrenders to abrasive force instantly. Bare metal emerges after 8 decades. Each panel blasted to bare perfection. Protection applied before rust can return. Skilled hands refine what machines cannot. Filler restores surfaces rust consumed completely. Sanding reveals the panel's original form. Mechanical systems rebuilt to original specifications. Finally, the wheels will turn again. The boiler lives and breathes again. Bare metal awaits its new skin. Primer seals decades of careful work. Gray primer transforms bare steel completely. Every panel primed to factory standard. Guide coat reveals any hidden imperfections. Perfection demands patience and skill combined. 4 wagons approach their transformation day. The final moment before color arrives. Authentic Panzer Grey, precisely color matched. Panzer Grey returns after 80 years. Layer by layer, history is restored. Each panel restored to military specification.
The cargo wagons join the transformation.
Original markings precisely recreated with care.
Weathering recreates authentic wartime character.
Clear coat seals generations of work. Inspection confirms flawless finish throughout today. Every detail finished and ready for home. Reassembly reverses months of careful work. Each pipe returns to his rightful place. Sliding doors function after 8 decades. Final components bring the locomotive alive. Wheels that will turn once more. The heart of the beast reconnects. Systems tested and verified, fully operational. Final touches complete the masterpiece now. The full train reunited at last. Final inspection confirms absolute perfection achieved. The moment of truth approaches fast.
Months of work culminate right now.
Pride in craftsmanship conquers all doubt.
One switch reveals the impossible made real.
From wreck to masterpiece, the journey complete. Behold the impossible made real today. 80 years of damage completely erased. Every detail restored to factory glory. And it runs like new once more. Before and after tell the story. Back where the journey first began. Pride earned through dedication and skill. Restoration complete. Legacy preserved forever now.
Rust falls, steel rises. This is Dead Metal. Subscribe now and watch machines live again.